got started with all my interior design basics from, and even if anyone asked me like, can you learn from online course? Yeah, I said, yeah, you can learn. I have completed my bachelor's in civil engineering. Before that, I also tried to get into interior designing. So I went to few people. Most of the people I've searched online were from a non interior design background specifically. I mean, not even architects, like some of them. So I was like, why can't I also try it? Because I really love being in this field. I love the creativity, and I've after seeing a lot of videos and a lot of people and their stories, like I wanted to do it as well. I was searching for something that is convenient that I can do from my home. So that's when I got to know about And Academy. I just searched for it on Google and it popped up. So I opened it and I liked it.
The first thing is that it was pretty convenient to study from home. And the second thing was I was getting to learn from an architect, an experienced architect. So Rahat ma'am has taught us. I really wanted to learn from her because it would also be a really good mentorship and I would get to learn from her. So she also shared a lot of her experiences. The And Academy members have sent me the previous projects and I really liked whatever I saw. I get to learn this much, so I wanted to join it. Yeah, and I wanted to start with And because it was quite accessible and easy.
I really liked how each week it was a different experiment. In one week, I remember we had to take fruits and arrange them in different principles of it, like symmetry, rhythm. I think I remember things better that way. And the way Rahat ma'am cleared our doubts, so she was very patient with us. She cleared every single doubt. Most of us were from a non-design background, so she was really patient with us in making us understand all of those things. It made me overcome my fear of talking in front of everyone. I was scared. I was really scared before to talk. I mean, before I joined And to talk in front of everyone. But then in And, I mean, we had to ask questions, and also in the end, we had to do presentations. So it really improved my communication skills. It was the first place I learned everything about interior designing. I mean, of course, I learned so much more after that as well. But the basics, like I got started with all my interior design basics from And. So yeah, if even if anyone asks me like, what did you learn? Like, can you learn from online course? Yeah, I said, yeah, you can learn. So I was just doing my portfolio, and that's when I got the first opportunity. It was a really new gym. It was around 6,000, 7,000 square feet. So I was really scared. I mean, I've never designed anything like that before. But then he was like, okay, let's do it. We can do it. So he executes and I design, and there are also people we hire to do certain things. Yeah, so that's how our firm has started. Just go for it. Don't think too much. I mean, you learn. I was very skeptical and I had a lot of doubts before starting, but then I started. I was exposed to a lot of new things. It made me understand a lot of things as well. And also because I mean, I am from a civil background, so I studied a lot. Everything was pretty new for me. But then it's very, I mean, when you want to do it and when you like it, it's very easy. It's a very creative field, so you'll have a lot of fun with it.